Hello friends, let's learn ABCD with different characters. So are you excited? Yeah, let's learn ABCD.
A for apple, A for ant, A for aeroplane, B for balloon, B for basket, B for ball. For cat, C for cup, C for cap.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you
D
sing
for
with me?
dog, D for drum, D for donkey. E for egg, E for elephant, E for eagle. F for fish, F for flower, F for flag. G for car, G for crab, G for gun. H for horse, H for hen, H for hat. I for ice cream, I for ink, I for eyes. J for juice, J for jug, J for joker. K for kite, K for king, K for kangaroo. L for lychee, L for lollipop, L for lion. M for monkey, M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for net, N for nest. O for octopus, O for orange, O for owl. P for pen, P for parrot, P for pizza. Q for queen, Q for quilt, Q for quill. R for rocket, R for rose, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sun, S for star. for tomato. T for tiger. T for train. U for uniform. U for unicorn. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for van. Bus. W for well. W for watch. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for Christmas tree. X for X-ray. Y for yacht. Y for yellow. Y for yak.